This shit is gapping, bro. Like, them boys be right next to them. And he just be gone in an instant. This is the second time I don't see him. That might not be a good maneuver. That might not be a good maneuver. Oh, that might not be a good maneuver. What is up, YouTube? Face bro. I don't know if that should be the intro or not. That shit was funny in the first one, so shit, I did it again. What you gonna do about it? I don't know. Anyways, like I said in all my other videos, subscribe right now, like the video right now, so we can do more. At least I know to do more, you feel me? Also, let's go ahead and follow me up on Instagram. That's gonna be right here. Boop. And let me know what you were doing in the comments on this post right here. Boop. And for right now, let's get into the video. All right, we got the M4 chase that I promised you guys. We got a quick little video, look like M4 versus troll. I guess that's it over there. Now I expect the M4 to get away. Out of all cars that I see like kind of running from the police, I would assume. Turn down a little bit. I would assume the M4 would get away a little bit better than maybe say a Trackhawk, like the last video, but well, it's already kind of gone. I gotta kind of squint to see where he went. I think this dude was cooked before he even started. And he finna get on the highway. Oh no, this is a W driver. W run. Do y'all see the M4 or is this? I have not seen the M4 the whole time. I'm getting on 14. He's busting me right now, but you can get spikes on him. He's coming to you now. Some spikes on him? I don't see this car. Damn, y'all telling me the M4 is that fast, bro? Talk about a gap, my boy. That's like you just not catching him. 120? Nah, bro, you probably at like 180, bro. You not catching him. Uh-oh, I never seen this POV before. We got the POV of the...
Spikes are shallow,
Oh, we got POV of the spikes. We got POV of the spiker. I know he nervous, bro, because you got to be on timing. You got to be almost perfect timing with the spikes, ain't it? Let's see if he's ready. He don't seem. He wasn't ready. Spikes wasn't ready. Spikes was not ready.
Spikes pulled back. You're getting off at McFarland. Off at McFarland. Clear. Off McFarland.
5221. Is it a white BMW? I got him. He's going left to McFarland.
Ooh, okay. I like this one. Let's just talk about Spikes really quick. I have to pause and let you guys know about Spikes. Spikes, Mr. Spikes, you weren't ready at all. Mr. Spikes, you were lacking in the department of paying attention. You definitely saw some headlights. I guess it's kind of hard to tell if the car is white, if it's the right car, yada, yada, yada. However, Spikes, Mr. Spikes, you were not ready for the show when the show came to you. You gotta drop an L in the comments for Mr. Spikes. He wasn't prepared.
Coming up to Ronald Reagan right now.
The problem is, if he got away from you, he probably get it.
Ford Nancy Reagan. It's a white BMW.
If he got away from you. Bro, TikTok, drop your bill and let me know if you can get away from the cops after this. This is an M4, so let me know if you can get away from it. Like, if your shit, like, this shit is gapping, bro. Like, them boys be right next to them, and he just be gone in an instant. This is the second time I don't see him. Second time I don't see him at all. Drop in the comments your bill right now. Let me see what you got. And if you're on Instagram, drop your bill. Like, just write it out in the comments. Because this M4 is clearly on some other shit. Is that even him? Is that even him?
Slowing down now. It's about
slowing all the way down.
Going up to Union Hill. If we're taking a right on Union Hill. Stay right on Union.
Shit. Oh, his front tires are flat. But his BMW is run flats, right? So does spikes even work? If you have run flats, how does it work if spikes hit you? Like, how does it work if you have run flats in the first place? Because right here, this shit's not fucking flat at all. This shit moving. He get on the highway, it's over with again.
Left on Tidwell, left on Tidwell.
That might not be a good maneuver. That might not be a good maneuver. Oh, that might not be a good maneuver. Cooked. That left just wasn't it, bruh. Yep. I told you guys about police dialogue. All the same. Let me see your effing hands. Let me see. Get the F out of the car. Cooked. Honestly, if I were Mr. BMW, I don't know. In GTA, I'm never getting hit with the spikes, so it's hard for me to say that I would have got caught with some spikes in real life. I've been training way too long to be getting caught by something like Mr. Spikes. However, I do apologize, Mr. Spikes. It looks like you did your job correctly. All right, it looks like you flattened his tires. It just didn't seem like it from the get-go. Secondly, if I was Mr. BMW, I would have never got off the highway. I'm driving until I just can't drive anymore at that rate. Like, you gotta get the helicopters on me. You probably gotta get, you know, some other people on me. Because, bro, there's no point of getting off the highway unless you're 1000% sure you have cleared the area. I probably would have left town, so they gotta, you know, make contact with someone else to get me. You know what I'm saying? But you know, they don't be planning to run. Like, it's not like you're planning to run from the police when you take your car out. It just so happened to happen. If y'all, ooh, please, TikTok. All right, bro. Let me know what experience you had to where you had to run. Like why did you run in the first place? I kind of just want to get the mental state of why you're running from the police so that I can see, like, all right, this is why you're running. Is it running because it's like, bro, my car fast and like I don't want to get, like, I know you can't catch me? Or are you running because, like, other reasons? And if it's other reasons, you don't gotta tell me for real, but like, if it's, you know what I'm saying, I ain't trying to be federal on the internet, but just kind of like give me a little 1-2 without telling me for real if it's some serious shit.